and rum.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you.
Hello folks, I want you to join me and my wife as she goes about making her beetroot ginger shots, and this is very good for the immune system. So join her in the kitchen now as she begins her beetroot ginger shots.
Hi guys, so I'm going to be using my juicer to make the shots. I mean, it would have been easier to use a blender. However, because I want it in its most concentrated, most potent form, I do not want to add water to it. And of course, if I use my blender, then I would have to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and use the juicer. It's a little bit harder to clean up afterwards, but it's fine. It's worth it. All right. And as a tip and a trick, I can show you guys what I do is I add the garbage bag or the plastic bag to the catchment. This is the part that would catch the pulp, so I already put a bag in there, and so it doesn't mess up the actual container. You just pull the bag out and throw that out as is. Alright, so yes, so we are going ahead. We are doing hard veggies, so let me set the thing on hard. It's now on soft fruit, so bring it up so that it goes to hard, because the beetroots and the ginger are pretty hard. All right, so let's load. Just adding that to that and doing that and that and that and that. All right, and then guys, I have these are from the Beet. When I buy the Beet, I buy the Beet that has the beet greens on it, so that we can, you know, steam the greens and eat it, and also eat the beet itself, and so you get the stems. So I'm also going to be choosing the stems. Ginger. But by no means least, I have a half of a lemon that I'm gonna, you know, put in the juicer also, and juice that for just a nice little zing to the shot. All right. So guys, this is the amount that I got, almost 25 ounces from the 1.5 beet, the 4 or 5 stalks of celery that I used, and the 3 large pieces of ginger. And yes, I have my bottles here. These bottles, guys, are 2-ounce bottles. They're actually shot bottles that I got from Amazon. And I will try to put the link below if I can find it, you know, to the store that I bought it from on Amazon, so you guys can, you know, order it if you are interested. Yes, but I just love Amazon for, you know, these nice finds. And guys, if anybody is thinking of giving me a Christmas gift, you can give me an Amazon share. I need a share in Amazon. I need part ownership in Amazon. All right, and guys, how cute. It comes with a little funnel so that you can actually, pour the liquid into the bottle easily. All right, so let's go ahead and start the process of pouring. Hopefully it's no issue. Lord help us. And beet, as I said before, is very messy. It can stain your surface, so I'm hoping that we don't have much spillage here, because no, we can't do that.
And one of the most important thing that I want you guys to realize is the fact that we did not use absolutely any water in this, and we used a very, very great amount of ginger. This shot is best to be, consumed as first thing in the morning, like a breaking the fast. So you just have it in the morning, quickly, and then you go about your business. And afterwards, you can, have something to eat, maybe within a half an hour or so. So this is the whole reason why we're making this shot, so that we can have this, as a morning, energy and, immune system booster and all of that. All right. And I think the wifey did a good job. What you say about that? Share, comment, and let me know at the bottom of the screen if you like what the wifey did, if she did a good job, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend about this Yardie Belly TV and the amazing work that the wifey is doing as she makes her ginger shots. And also, I must tell you that we don't want this to stay in the refrigerator for more than maybe a week. All right, you want to get this out of the fridge. So every morning we use it up and utilize it quickly. All right, so you don't want it to stay more than a week, because then you lose all of the nutrients that you work so hard to get.
Alright guys, so this is it. Our shots are all done. I was able to get 11 bottles out of the batch. And so yeah, nice and nutritious first thing to start the morning on an empty stomach. This is what we do. And so yeah.
Once again, thanks so much for watching. This is my wife's beetroot shots. And guys, remember, see you next time with another great video. A banger.